Today on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'm going to show you how to draw a peacock feather real easy. And the Draw Stuff Real Easy way is to use a pencil and a pen and an eraser. So we want to plan this out a little bit first. So what I'll do is I'll draw kind of a circle like that, and then we're going to want to make it more egg-like. Okay, and then we can bring a kind of a curve around like that for the great long stalk. And I think that's the only plan that we really need to do. So I'm going to draw this kind of egg shape like that. And then starting here, then we need to draw, because you've got that kind of circle shape in there you've started with, and you can draw a kind of circle shape. And then here, do a kind of a half circle like that. And then we're going to come around a little bit and then up and down and around and join it. So it's kind of like a bean shape like that. Then we're going to want to sort of draw an outline kind of around like that. But this will then come down at an angle. And here we're going to have this quill, and that's going to kind of go off to there, nice and thin and slender. So I think we could start about here and draw these sort of feather bits. I know there's a word for it, I can't think what that is. But anyway, so these want to be coming out kind of at this angle, and they might have a little kind of wiggle at the end like that. And they're definitely coming out at that angle. Keep going. And we'll get to about there, and they're still sort of going at that angle and still going at that angle. They're actually sort of coming round a little bit, a bit more vertical, sort of around like that. So if you do one on each side, so they're getting a bit more vertical as we come to the top, and in fact they're starting to kind of lean in on themselves like that. And then here we can keep going on down to the bottom, but these are getting slightly shorter and shorter as you go until you sort of get down to the bottom like that. And you can put a straggly one in there, maybe a short one, so we can do something similar. Let's follow all the way down so we keep that angle. And you can put, these are very feathery themselves, these bits, so you can make them quite sort of wiggly at the ends like that. So when you are sure the ink is dried, then you can erase those pencil lines. And you want to make sure that you drew the plan really, really gently, and that makes it easier to erase when you want to do it. So we've got this kind of line coming up through the middle. And we want to kind of keep that there. So I'm going to be shading kind of like that, very, very close together. So this is all sort of individual strands of feather here, really, and it wants to be really, really dark. So we'll bring that down there like that, and then do a little bit more to make it just look a bit darker. Oop, there. And here again we're going to want to be doing these bits like that and there, and so these are quite dark, but then as we get up to here we can make them go a little bit sort of further apart like that. And I think we'll do just a little bit more there as well, and we can maybe have a few more. And you can maybe have one or two sort of cross over and go a little bit sort of wild. So you could just leave it like that, or you could just kind of put some sort of furriness, sort of extra kind of lines. Now I'm just going to zip all the way through this. If you've watched this far, you probably want to click the subscribe button down there, and that would really help me build this channel. And if you like this video, please click the like button too. So this area here needs to kind of turn blue, and then this area is a kind of a browny colour, and then we go into that luscious, lustrous green, and then these frondy bits can then be in a much kind of darker browny green on the outside. So thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.